erasers underneath your chairs, please, if you can do so. Alrighty, Cadence, come on up. You're going to be our student of the day today. You may write your name on the board, sweetheart. Alrighty, first grade, before we start our math meeting, we are going to go through our targets. Mrs. Larson has our 3 targets right on top of our board here. The first one is, I can tell and write times to the hour and half hour on digital and analog clocks. First grade, where do you think we're going to be putting this target on our board today? Where do you think? Clarissa? Digital. Do you think we're going to put it up over by our digital clock? Okay. Is she right, first grade?
Yes.
Okay. Second target today is I can organize and interpret data with up to 3 categories. Where are we going to interpret data today? Where are we going to put that one? Haley?
By our weather chart.
Is she correct?
Yes.
Yes, by our weather chart. Okay. And our last one, first grade, is I can count to 120 starting at any number less than 120. Where are we going to put that one, Kason?
Above the 100.
Yes, is he correct, first grade?
Yes.
Yes, we're gonna put this one right above, sorry, sweetheart, right above our 100 chart. 100 chart. Okay, so during math meeting, during the lesson, I really want you to focus on our 3 targets. Thumbs up if you can do that for Mrs. Larson. I know you can. Are we ready to start?
Yes.
Okay, Cadence, here you go, sweetheart. Here we go. Alrighty, first grade, Mrs. Larson has her name tags here, so Mrs. Larson's going to be using those throughout the lesson. Alrighty, Jasmine, can you tell us what month we are in?
February.
First grade, my turn. The month is February. Your turn.
The month is February.
The month is February. What I would like for you to do is I'd like for you to open up your marker caps and circle February. Marker caps on in 3, 2, 1, and 0. Lily, if the month is February, what month is going to come right after February?
March.
March, very good. And Clarissa, if the month is February, what comes right before?
January.
January, great. Ethan, how many months are in an entire year?
12.
First grade, is he correct?
Yes.
Yes. I'd like for you to put a 12 on top of your months column. There are 12 months in an entire year. Okay, marker caps on in 3, 2, 1, and 0. I'd like you to track while we sing our month song. Please point to January. Is everyone tracking? I hope so. Thank you, good job. Okay, we're pointing to January. Ready, begin.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, months of the year.
Great job, perfect. First grade, so we know that there are 12 months, and the month is what? The month is?
February.
Wonderful. Let's scooch on over to our calendar. Up here is a season. This is the season that we're in right now. May, what season are we in?
Winter.
My turn. The season is winter. Your turn.
The season is winter.
First grade, in 3 seconds, when I put my last finger down, I want you to pull up how many fingers there are of how many seasons we have, okay? So I'm gonna say 3, 2, 1, show, and I want you to show me how many seasons we have in a year, okay? Ready? 3, 2, 1, show. How many seasons do we have? First grade, how many seasons do we have?
4.
You are right, we have 4. We are in winter. Kason, what comes after winter? When the snow.
Spring.
Spring. When the snow starts to melt, spring. Cadence, what comes after spring? Summer. And Isaac, what comes after summer? When the
Fall.
Yes, when the leaves start to fall. It is going to be fall or autumn. Okay. Okay, good. And Kaylee, let's go down to our year. What year is it, sweetheart?
2016.
2016. And what are the digits in 2016?
2016.
First grade, I'd like you to tell me the digits in 2016 when I put my hand down. Ready? What are the digits?
2016.
Very good. Let's switch down to the pattern for our calendar. Caitlin, can you tell me the shapes on the calendar, please?
Parallelogram, square, hexagon.
Very good. Parallelogram, square, hexagon. First grade, I need eyes on the board. Cadence is going to point to each shape and we're going to say the shapes out loud. Ready, begin.
Parallelogram, square, hexagon. 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 Parallelogram, square, hexagon.
And Caitlin, what comes next? Hexagon. And what number is going to be on our hexagon?
18.
Good. What two digits make 18?
1, 8.
A 1 and an 8. Is she correct, first grade?
Yes.
Yes. There you go, sweetheart. Okay. So Caitlin, what number do we have to write to today?
18.
We have to write to 18 today. Okay?
Mrs. Larson, please call the office. Mrs. Larson, please call the office.
So first grade, Cadence is going to be pointing and she's going to be wanting you to count to 18 with her. Okay? So I need everyone to find their first Monday on their calendar. Marker caps off. Let's make the number 1 on Monday. Now remember, it should just sound like one voice. After 1 comes
2.
keep going.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17,
And today is
18.
very good. Okay, marker caps on in 3, 2, 1, and 0. Beautiful handwriting, first grade. It looks awesome. You should be very proud of yourselves. Good job. Okay. So now we're going to go and we are going to be our rockets. So get your rocket voice ready. We're going to go straight up to see what day of the week it is. Okay, are your rockets ready? Okay, let's go straight up. Ready, go. Okay. Peyton, what day of the week is it, sweetheart? First grade, my turn. Today is Thursday. Your turn.
Today is Thursday.
Very good. I would like for you to circle Thursday in your days of the week column. Please circle Thursday. Alrighty, are you ready for our days of the week chant? You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, you ready? Hello Thursday.
Hello, Thursday.
See you Wednesday.
See you Wednesday.
See you tomorrow Friday.
See you tomorrow, Friday.
Very good. Carson, how many days do we have in a week?
7.
7. First grade, I'd like you to put 7 on top of the days of the week column. Please put 7. I'd like you to point to Sunday, our first day of the week. We're going to go down and make sure that we have 7. Okay, let's count. Ready? Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 days in a week. Okay? And today is Thursday. Wonderful. Alrighty, now we are going to go over and we are going to write today's full date. Okay? Jasmine, can you tell me today's full date in a complete sentence? Start right here, please.
Today's date is February 18th, 2016.
First grade, is she correct?
Yes.
And she said it in a complete sentence. That's wonderful. Today's date is, and remember our pattern, up, down, up. Today's date is, let's say it together. Ready? February 18th, 2016. Okay. So Lily, what is the first thing we're going to be writing on our boards? February. I want you to show Mrs. Larson your most beautiful handwriting. Okay? Let's start with February. Remember, months start with a capital letter. Let's begin. Capital F E, say the letters with me. B R U A R Y, finger space, the number 18, 1, 8, comma, 2016, 2016. Marker caps on in 3, 2, and 1. Amazing handwriting, first grade. Give yourselves a pat on the back. Beautiful. Good job. Nice finger spaces. You remembered your commas. Great. Okay. Alrighty. So let's say today's full date together. Let's track, please. Marker is on the word today. Are you ready? Thank you for tracking. Okay. Ready, begin. Today's date is February 18th, 2016. Wonderful. Alrighty, let's switch over to days in school and how many days we have been in school and how many days we have left of school. So the first thing Mrs. Larson wants to do is how many days we have left of school. So that's our bottom. That's going to be our number line. Okay, so Clarissa, what is the last number on our number line?
65.
65. Cadence, do you want to take 65 off of the wall for me, please? Okay, she's going to take 65 off. So how many days do we have left of first grade? 64. First grade. We only have 64 days left together. It's going by too fast. Okay, so we have 64 days left. Now we need to look at today's number. Do you see that big number over there? Do you see our big number?
Yeah.
Ethan, how many days have we been in first grade?
112.
112. My turn. We have been in school for 112 days. Your turn. We have been in school for 112 days. I can't believe it. 112 days. Okay? So first grade, I would like for you on your days in school to fill in 112. And then I would like for you to share that with your neighbor to make sure that you have the exact same numbers as your partner does in the correct columns.